Hey, did you know we've got a harmonica workshop on Thursday, this Thursday, and you are invited. If you'd like to come to it, you can press the button. There'll be a button somewhere around here, or there's a link somewhere like that. Come to it, have a look at it. What we're going to do in this workshop is we're going to reveal my 5-part plan for learning the harmonica. It's like a roadmap. So it's going to be a 5-part roadmap. And step 1 is what we'll go into in detail. Then I'll be able to tell you about all the other steps as well. But step 1 is the root of the whole thing, the foundations. I think if you're building something, if you were building a building, which I haven't, I have done it actually. I did build a straw bale building and also an oak frame building, thinking about it. And the first thing we did was we made a foundation, the concrete screed. In both cases, I think we did. So you need to get solid foundations first, otherwise everything's going to just fall over. And if you think of music as a tree, the root system is rhythm, and for harmonica players, rhythm and breathing. And that's going to couple with a good practice plan. And then the trunk of the tree is, more like things that you do to support the top part of the tree. So what I mean is playing single notes, note bending, tongue blocking, techniques, structures, systems, all of which are not really music, but they support the making of music, which is what we're aiming for. So you gradually work up the tree. The top of the tree, of course, is all the shiny stuff, all the fruit and flowers and leaves and all that kind of stuff. And that we would consider to be melody, tunes, improvising, all the interesting side of it, the social side of music, all of that kind of thing. So that's what we're going to learn in this web class. So come along to it. It's an hour long and it's on Zoom, and you'll get to meet some interesting people and you will learn a lot. And this could be the start of something big for you. If you want to learn the harmonica and you've not really got round to it yet, here's the roadmap. And I've got a special offer for you as well, which you'll find out more about if you register for this. Okay, see you there, hopefully.